Hello, our wonderful subscriber, our friends, and our lovely fans. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel and your favorite channel, Fashion Addiction. Friends and viewers, how are you all? Hope you are fine. May God bless you with more happiness every day. So, friends, we are doing our best to suggest you how yours will be the best style every day. We are showing you the variety of dressing styles and updated fashion. And friends, this is our today's video. We hope you must like our content and tell us your reviews in the comment section. Now friends, show your love by like, share and subscribe our channel, and you can make sure you hit the bell icon so you never miss any future update from my channel Fashion Addiction. So friends and viewers, in this video you will see the brilliant variety gold bar chain raw stud earrings for women's. These earrings designs are very pretty and beautiful as well, and friends, definitely you will like them all. These stud earrings designs are picked very carefully with a vision that every article suits you in every way possible in every occasion. So friends and my lovely viewers, here is the fun thing for you all. If you like them all, then don't forget to hit the red subscribe button so you never miss any future update from my channel Fashion Addiction. And friends, if you don't like any, just tell me in the comment section. So next time you will only see your favorite choice articles. My dear friends, you can see latest dresses, baby dresses, handbags, shoes, jewelries and everything that is related to current fashion. You can also watch every new fashion which is trending. So friends and my lovely viewers, as we always try to make our subscriber stays updated about latest fashion, living style and much more. So friends, you can freely ask anything about fashion related queries like what outfit will suit you the most in current season, or which outfit combinations are trending these days to stay updated. We have a huge variety of anything which is related to your fashion. And friends, if you have an impressive sense of fashion, we can definitely learn something from you. Take a look at this video and stay updated to my amazing channel Fashion Addiction, because this channel provides you latest fashion news and lifestyle events in your country, and you will daily find a couple of videos about all type of fashion and all type of dresses designs. Friends, this is our today's video. We hope you must admire our work for you and kindly tell us about your opinion and great advices in the comments. Now show your love by like, share and subscribe our channel, and you can make sure you hit the bell icon so you never miss any future update from my channel. Friends, thank you so very much for watching my whole video. Hope you loved it. Love you all.